Hello neighbors, Bill here with Addicted to Tone Incorporated, also known as Mr. Takamine USA. Today I'm going to show you a real simple way to check your output jack assembly to see if it's working. Okay, all you have to do is plug your guitar cord into your amp, turn the amp up, make sure you got a good guitar cord, of course, but turn it up so you can hear that annoying little buzz sound. Don't worry, it will not shock you. You can also use a paper clip. Okay, we know the guitar cord is good. Plug it into the output jack assembly, and the tip is what carries the tip of the output jack assembly plug is what carries the audio. You should be able to touch that and hear it as well. The ring, this little part here called the ring, activates the battery. Now the way you can check that is to simply plug the guitar cable in halfway to the first click, is what I call it, and then you'll hear the buzzing sound. Now that's one way you can tell that the output jack assembly has gone bad internally, is it'll feel real loose. You won't really feel that first click. The first click is the ring mechanism, the part that activates the battery. Should be pretty tight. Now I have a output jack assembly here that I know is bad. The ring is defective, so I'm going to plug in, turn my amp back up. Now the ring on this one's defective, but the audio still works. Now on this output jack assembly, the tip is bad, the audio is not outputted. See, it's dead in the water. Now if I were to, this one's pretty sloppy feeling, it's very loose. If I were to plug in halfway though, see, I could still hear the ring, the battery activation. Let's go back to this one. I want to show you a cool trick. Okay, this one, the tip is good, but the first click, the battery activation is bad. Okay, and another way you can tell that the ring is defective, check this move out. You can plug into your preamp. I'm using a CTP2 for this. You can manually bridge the gap and ground out the ring to activate the battery with a paper clip. So the red wire on the G series output jack is what activates the battery. On a Pro series jack, it's just the opposite. On a Pro series jack, the red wire is for audio output. The white wire is for battery activation. Now it's always tip to tip and ring to ring, so if you're using a multi-tester, that is always true. But here's a simple way you can check to see if your output jack assembly is bad for the ring. See, this preamp should be on right now, but the output jack assembly is damaged internally, so it's not activating the battery. If I manually bridge the wire, see, I make that preamp come on. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy. Just listen for the buzz. Okay, keep playing guitar, making the world a better place for us all to live in. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.